Good day, students. Welcome to Business Study class. My name still remains Mr. Korede Ashaolu, and today we'll be looking at factors of production. So, follow me as we look in our next slide, which is the learning objective for today's lesson. The learning objective for today's lesson, number one, we need to understand the production resources. Number two, we want to look at example of each four factors of production are. Three, and why they are important in business. Number four, how they can help to create goods and services. And let us go to what is production resources in our next slide. Introduction to factor of production. So we need to understand the production resources. The factor of production are very essential resources that is used to create goods and services. This also include land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. And this also bring about the influencing economic growth and business. This bring about all these resources bring about developing a particular growth of a country and also in business growth as well, which leads to success. And this take us to the next slide as the types of production. Let's talk on factor of production. We have land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. Land require all natural resources that is necessary for production process. Number two, labor. Labor represents human efforts through physical and mental, and that they used to carry out production. And capital. Capital consists of tools and machineries that are essential for effective production. And entrepreneurship is about development or creativity and innovation concept. Land as a resources. Importance of natural resources. Number one, land is used for agriculture. Example of agriculture, we have a farmer that is growing crops like growing cassava, growing wheat, and maize, etc. Land is also used for building and infrastructure. We can use land for building houses and building roads or building public waters. Such refer as the natural resources for land. Land is also used as a source of the mineral resources and raw material. The raw material like using it as a form of extracting crude oil like petrol, so such also refers as land as the natural resources. Also number three, land also provide waters and forests. With land we can see water, we can extract water from the land and also forests. Land is also used as to support the economic development. All this land is used as means of growing our crops, our our natural resources like petrol as a means of developing the economy, of generating income. Number five, land is also used as essential, is also as a means of essential human survival. We cannot do without land, but it's used for the survival of human nature. That take us to another point, which we look at the labor as also tools of production. Follow me as we go into labor as a form of production. Now let's look at labor as a form of human effort. Labor serves or refers to human efforts that is used in production for goods and services. Workforce. What are the workforce behind production under labor? Number one, we have farmers. Farmers are the people that grow crops. Example of that, we have cassava, we have maize, we have wheat. Such are the crops
that the farmer grow. Bakers. Bakers are the one that bake bread or cake. They bake bread and they also bake cake. We have teachers. Teachers are the one that teaches students. They are the people that impart knowledge to the students. We have drivers. We have drivers that transport goods and services. They move goods from one place to another to meet the woman needs in production. Engineers. Engineers are the one constructing roads, and that takes us to another chapter on the capital as tools of production. Follow me as we look at the capital. Let's look at the capital. Capital serves as man-made goods used to produce other goods and services. And like example, we have like the machineries, building, and financial resources that support production. Both, both are crucial for enhancing productivities and to drive economic and business growth. That takes us to the entrepreneurship on this lesson. Follow me as we look that. Now, entrepreneurship and innovation. Entrepreneurship drive progress through risk taking. Entrepreneurship play a crucial role in any form of organization or business as the factors of production, and it drives innovation and also bear risk that leads to economic and job creation in any form of production. You can see the entrepreneurship make ideas to happen, bringing ideas together, bringing resources together to make it happen. That takes us to the capital. In conclusion, I said the key factors of production, which is land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. This can use to achieve production. I quote, production of goods and services is the foundation of a thriving economy and to enhance productivities and driving business growth. Production is used as a form of goods and services and also to generate income for a particular economy or a business and to actually have growth. And this takes us to our next slide as we look at the assignment for this lesson. Follow me as we do that. Assignment. Give the factors of production and their rewards. Give factors of production and their rewards. And this assignment must be done before our next class. Thank you all for listening. I hope you understand. And if you have any question, you can direct your question to me before our next class. And I'll see you again and have a nice day. Bye.